Hey guys, my name's Chef Rob.
Chef Rob!
Welcome to Cooking with Cruisers. Today we're gonna get some awesome ingredients out of the store behind me, make a unique dish back at my place, Divine Swine, and then come on back and find somebody to try it out. Let us see what they think. All right, some Fritos. Hard to go wrong with a little salty crunch. There we go. Teriyaki jerky. Now we're cooking. All right, guys, we're gonna get some noodles. I think we've got a good plan now. Let's head back to the restaurant and cook this up. All right, guys, we're back here at Divine Swine. We're gonna put this thing together. First thing we need to do is take our jerky, put it in the pressure cooker, and then some of this fine Tostitos medium salsa. The acids in the tomato will help break down that meat and give us a little bit more flavor at the end of the day. And let it simmer in there for about 45 minutes.
45 minutes later.
Okay, so while this is cooking, we need to get our water hot.
5 minutes later.
So we went with the beef flavor, works well with the beef teriyaki. We're gonna go ahead and use this flavor packet that's included with it. It's a little salty, but by the time you add the steam and the cooked beef, you won't notice anything. It's just gonna boost the flavor.
Boost the flavor. Boost the flavor.
We're gonna take our hot water.
Warning, hot water will mess you up.
Pretty proper. We're gonna pour it in slowly, right up to the water line and no more. So at this point, we need to set our timers for 3 minutes for al dente, 3.5 for medium.
3 or 3.5 minutes later.
So when we're plating this, we want to get all the noodles without the broth to start. Want to mound it up as high as we can in the center of the bowl. It'll give it a nice aesthetic, and it will also eat a little bit better that way. The next thing we're gonna do
Epic.
is we're gonna crack open the pressure cooker and get some of this teriyaki beef. It's okay if you get a little of the salsa broth on there too. It's just gonna add to the flavor and make it overall a more appealing dish. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna channel our inner oki and we're gonna crush up some Fritos and we're gonna garnish on top there. And last but not least, what Asian dish is ready without some sriracha? Sriracha! All right, guys, there we have it. Ramen noodles, rehydrated teriyaki beef, garnished with some Fritos and sriracha. Let's go see how the crew likes it. Come on.
And now, fine dining at Cruisers.
All right, here we are. So today I prepared for you a spicy ramen with a rehydrated teriyaki beef, topped with some crumpled Fritos and sriracha. Enjoy. All right, so how do we do? Well, there you have it. With some groceries from Cruisers and some imagination from Divine Swine, you can put together a fantastic dish. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time.